world has entered another dangerous period of military escalation. In Middle East, what began as a series of strategic confrontation has now expanded into a multi-country security crisis. In the second week of conflict, tensions have spread beyond Iran and Israel to the world wider Gulf region, rising fears of a broader regional war that could affect global energy markets and international security. During overnight operations, the United States and Israel launched coordinated airstrikes across Iran. According to reports, several strategic locations were targeted, including five major oil facilities near Tehran. These oil sites are considered critical to Iran's energy infrastructure, and their damage could affect both Iran's economy and global oil supply chains. The strike marked one of the most serious escalations in the conflict so far. Iran responded quickly with counterstrikes across the Gulf region. Missiles and drones were reportedly launched towards strategic targets, triggering air defense systems across several countries. Explosions and interceptions were reported in Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. These attacks highlight how the conflict is spreading beyond its original battlefield. The conflict has already resulted in tragic losses. Two Kuwaiti fire officers were killed while responding to emergency situations during missile interceptions. Emergency crews across the region have been working under extreme conditions, responding to fires, damaged infrastructure, and civilian safety threats caused by drones and missile attacks. Their work highlights the human cost of escalating military conflict. As the tensions intensifies, governments begin evacuating their citizens from the region. India launched a large-scale evacuation effort to bring its nationals home safely. So far, more than 52,000 Indian citizens have been evacuated from Gulf countries, making it one of the largest emergency evacuation operations in recent years. Thousands of families are returning home as uncertainty grows across the region. The conflict has drawn strong reactions from the global leaders. Donald Trump stated that Iran is being decimated by the ongoing military operations. Meanwhile, China's Foreign Minister Wang Yi called for an immediate ceasefire, urging all sides to respect national sovereignty and avoid any further escalation. The international community is increasingly concerned that continued fight could lead to a wider regional war, which may affect to the other regions where the fight can be controlled right now. So they are pressing for the peace efforts as soon as possible. So if you like it, please like, share and subscribe.